Good morning, students. Now, before continuing further, let us recollect what we have studied in our previous session. Now, what we have studied, we have drawn two lines, S and Y dash as a vertical line and X dash as a horizontal line, and label it from an origin positive and negative numbers on both the lines. When we intersect both of them, what sort of a figure we got it? Like this. And both are meeting at a point O, origin. Correct? As well as we label these four parts of a plane as a quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is our revision. Now, today we are going to study about how we can plot a point like this: P in bracket 2, 3, Q in bracket -3, 7. Likewise, many more type of numbers are possible to be plotted. Let us draw a graph before we plot. How to draw a graph? You can see my graph book here. Correct? Now, take a center point of your graph paper and draw a vertical line, straight vertical line. With the help of pencil. Then once again, horizontal line which is dividing your paper into half. Now, draw an arrow on all the four corners and name it as X, X dash, Y, Y and Y dash. The intersecting point of both the lines is named as origin. Now, I will write it, the numbers as we are writing in the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Same way here on the left side it will give me negative numbers: -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and so on. Same way on the vertical line of O, Y dash, start plotting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same way down also O, Y dash, it will give us -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. Now, like I told you in the beginning, if point P 2, 3 is there, if we take P as 2 and 3, what it indicates us? means I want to plot a point P. Okay, I want to plot a point P such that P coordinate first 2 is the value of x coordinate, means you have to read it in x axis, and second you have to read in y axis. And where both the points were perpendicular line draw, where it intersect, that is my point P. Now let us understand how we will do it. So x axis 2, where 2 falls here. So I am drawing a line. How much? y3, till that I will draw a line. Same way I need it y3, so draw from that point on the y. So where this both the perpendicular line intersect, this point is labeled as P and 2, 3. Now x coordinate is named as epsilon. X coordinates are named as epsilon and y coordinates are known as ordinate. O-R-D-I-N-A-T-E, ordinate. This much clear, beta? Now, if it is negative, then how to plot it? You can take any of it as a negative term also. Named it another point as -3 and minus only if I take -2. Then how we will plot it? -3 and -2. So let us see now negativities. So we have to move it in third quadrant. So -3. So here is my -3 and -2. So till here. So from 3 you have to draw a perpendicular line till 2 squares are there. And for this you have to draw. So the point here arises is your point Q. Labeled it as -3, -2. Same way we can generate many more numbers. It can be not only all positive, all negative, positive, negative wala also possible. Point A, as you can give me 3 and -4. Where is my 3? X-axis. First is always related with x-axis. Keep in mind, dear students, first number is always related with the x-axis. Whether it is positive or negative, you have to read it in x-axis only. So 3 here and move 4 in the y. So here is my, now without drawing also you can see where both the perpendicular lines intersect. Okay, for this chapter you are drawing this perpendicular lines. For the next chapter I will not allow you to draw this sort of a lines. Only you have to just see where the both the points, both the lines will intersect and name it that point as A 3 -4. Correct? Let us see for the another y2 left with the second quadrant. So what we will take it as a point B as a 4 -2. -4 if I take, then only it will go for the second quadrant. -4 plus 2, I will plot it. So now see where it is -4 and plus 2. So second number always see on y-axis and first number see on x-axis. X is negative, so I will move it on the left side here, and x and y is positive. So where both will intersect at this point. Named it as B, and -4, 2 is my point. Got it, dear students? So, in short, if we are having all the positive valas both plus will lie in first quadrant, plus will lie in first quadrant. If it is minus plus, then it would be in second quadrant. If it is negative, then it is lie in third quadrant. Negative, both the values are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, what it will be? Plus minus. So understood, beta? It is clear now? Now in your textbook one page is given where the points are given. You have to find it out its coordinate. That is also one of the type you have to solve.